Hello Sarah. This is the third and final video showing you or explaining how we can or you can alter content on an existing page and a few tips and tricks along the way. So we still have the free tabs at the top here as before. So I think it might be a good idea to say have a look at the Why Home Share page and make some changes there, but they won't be live, so don't worry. Okay, so then we find the page here right at the bottom, it's alphabetical order. Okay, so this is what I've already set up when I built the site. As you can see from the previous video, I've created columns. Some columns run full width for headings. Further down here, here's two half columns there actually with content elements already in place. And down here we have the quarter columns. Yeah, I really think actually you'll get on okay with this actually. I think most people tend to be okay with this theme actually, I would say. You know, we're sort of finding about 95% of the people take to it quite quickly. So anyway, right, let me stop clicking around everywhere without explaining what I'm doing. So, okay, so on the home share button, let's say for instance, you want to add some text or delete something on the for homeowners. So if we jump back to the live page, this is the section here that we want to make a change to. So literally you just click on that half column, the text block that's sitting in that half column. You see it says text block there. Remember, you've got your live preview over here, and this is the live area to make a change here. And so say if you wanted to just add an extra line at the bottom, do a return. If you need to recreate the tick, the quick and easy way is to highlight that tick, copy it, and then paste it in. And then, you know, type out whatever you want to be as your last section on the list. So we're not going to make that live, obviously. And to delete something, highlight it and just click delete on your keyboard. It really is that easy. For the homeowners is set as heading 3. And I think I explained that in the previous video about the headings and that. So below this section, there's another section here with 4 columns in. And if you want to change the image of somebody, once again, just click on that column. They're all active and live. Up pops the image section. If you want to replace this picture of the old lady, it's on a transparent background. That's why you can see the checkered background. It's what they call a PNG file, which are transparent. So basically, we could put this picture of this lady on any different coloured background, and that would show through. So pings, as we call them, PNG files, they're a very good idea to have on a website. Then you don't have to keep worrying about changing the colour background around the lady. They're in that square. So yeah, PNG files. If you can't create them, if you ever need to, obviously I can do that for you very quickly. So it really is just a case of clicking on whichever section you want to change. You make a change, you type out some text, click save down here, and then always click update here in the publish section. Always click update. So whatever changes you make over here, whatever they might be, of course, adding images, deleting text, adding text, creating a link, always click the update over here. Actually, I was going to say what probably is a good idea actually is to show you quickly how you create a link. So if you have some text, say like this bottom line here again on for homeowners, you highlight the text And then up here, there literally is like a chain icon where you can insert a link for that. Let's put my website address in there. Don't worry, it's not going to be live. So there you go. That is now a live link. Don't worry about the color over here. As you can see over here, it's it doesn't show as a different color blue with a line underneath. Only when you roll your cursor over, does it change into the green that we've set in the enfold options. So that would now link to my website, for instance, you see. So, so once again, Friendship up here, click on the chain icon, type your link into there, click apply, you save the section down here, save what you've done, and then click update for the whole page, and all your changes will be updated. So I'm hoping that makes some sense. I think it does. Obviously, I'm not making any of these changes live. So if we go back to pages again, leave that page because nothing's being changed. Let's have a look. Privacy policy. You may need to change that at some point, maybe, I don't know. This is the once again, it just is a case of popping that page up, clicking, this is only one column here, 4/5, clicking on that, going into here, you know, highlight a word to delete it, whatever changes you've made, typed over something, rejig it around, always click save again, save, and update the page. We haven't made any changes, obviously. And it's live instantly. So yeah, I'm hoping that makes some sense. If you need more clarification on editing existing pages, you know, just any specific questions, just send me an email or, you know, ring me up, whatever, and we'll help out. So I think I've explained the basics here in these 3 videos. The back end video is the first one, the new page video is second, and altering existing content, which of course overlapped with creating a new page anyway. But as I said, definitely hit this button at the top here, create a new page, and drag and drop and go mad with it with this advanced layout feature here. You know, it's good fun actually. You know, you can be creative. So, okay, I hope these 3 videos have helped you. As I say, any other questions, please contact me and I'm here to help. Cheers.